Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green bean sprouts at home. First, gather your supplies. You'll need green bean seeds, a sprouting jar or tray, and fresh water. Begin by selecting untreated, organic green bean seeds for the best results. Next, give your seeds a good rinse under cool, running water to clean them. Then, soak the seeds in a bowl of cool water for about 8 to 12 hours. This step kickstarts the sprouting process. After soaking, it's time to set up your sprouting environment. Carefully drain all the water from your seeds. Leaving excess water can hinder growth. Transfer the now plump seeds into your chosen sprouting container, whether it's a specialized jar with a mesh lid or a simple tray. Make sure there's plenty of airflow, as good ventilation is crucial for healthy sprout development and prevents mold. Consistent daily care is key to successful sprouting. You'll need to rinse your sprouts thoroughly with fresh, cool water 2 or 3 times every day. This washes away waste products and keeps them hydrated. Immediately after rinsing, drain all the water completely. Standing water is the enemy of sprouts. Store your sprouting container in a cool, dark place like a cupboard to encourage tender, sweet growth. Your delicious green bean sprouts will be ready to harvest in about 3 to 5 days, once they reach 1 to 2 inches in length. Before enjoying them, give them a final rinse under cool water. These fresh sprouts are fantastic in salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries. To keep them fresh, store your harvested sprouts in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will last for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.